Are you concerned about losing your job due to the current economic climate? Do you worry that automation will replace you at work? Well, fear not. Automation can be an ally in your career. Not only does it free up time, but it also makes businesses more efficient. Here are 4 ways automation and AI can deliver success for service teams. Firstly, automation can eliminate hassle. It allows you to streamline your business and avoid some of the major day-to-day hiccups that can give you headaches. One example is Jotform Tables, which replaces tedious spreadsheets and gathers data through custom online forms without any coding needed. This means that anyone on your team can do this without the hassle that often accompanies data collection. Secondly, automation makes collaboration seamless. By using tools such as Asana or Tables, you can facilitate quick collaboration with your colleagues, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. Thirdly, automation enables you to achieve more by doing less. Busy work and management processes can be automated, freeing up your mind to think about bigger things. This allows you to better organize your time and work on higher value activities. Successful leaders must not only drive business growth but also add value. Lastly, automation gives workers greater autonomy. The end goal of automating tasks is to make it easier for everyone to do things on their own, without requiring help from others. This means that employees can become more independent and productive. For example, Jotform's employee, Kat, who works in marketing, doesn't need a coder to help her when inputting data. She doesn't have to interrupt her workflow or reach out for something simple. This is what autonomy looks like. In conclusion, automation is not the enemy. It's the antidote. By adopting automation, you can help your team succeed and ease your colleagues' concerns about being replaced by automation. It can help you streamline your business, collaborate seamlessly, achieve more by doing less, and give workers greater autonomy. So, embrace automation and let it work for you.